way too dark out here. What was that? Did you hear that? Ew, what is this? It looks like some kind of brain. Oh, thank goodness whatever it was didn't catch me.
Hello there everyone, welcome to Miami Cooking. I'm Azita, and happy Halloween! I have the perfect menu for your Halloween, starting with a pumpkin cheese snack, some monster eggs, and these little creatures I created with apples, a zombie or monster entree, and a special dessert. Make sure to click through all my Halloween videos on the Halloween playlist. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. The first thing you want to do is cook your elbow pasta. Then in a separate pot, you're going to add your butter and garlic. After your garlic and butter has been cooking there for about 2 minutes, you're going to add in some flour. Go ahead and stir it a couple of times. Now you're going to add some warm milk and you're going to mix it until you get a creamier consistency. Then we're going to add our red food coloring and we're going to toss in our elbow pasta. I added some red food coloring to my cheese. Now we're going to toss it in and stir it all up. And we're going to keep on stirring till that cheese melts and gets all ooey gooey. So there you have it, our zombie brain macaroni, perfectly paired with zombie meatloaf. Thank you for stopping by, and please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Miami Cooking with Azita on Instagram.